Guys, it is time for a new update video here on the Bitcoin price because we just saw a breakout out of a rising channel on the 1 hourly time frame to the downside, which could actually result in a massive breakout out of a new chart pattern that I just found. And I can already tell you it's a very bearish chart pattern. The same chart pattern and price fractal actually played out in May, like a few days before we saw this big 50% correction. So guys, I can already tell you, please stick around till the very end of this video. You don't want to miss out on any of this content. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, leave this video a thumbs up, guys. Let's reach 2,000 likes here on today's video, and also make sure to follow the Secret Project V Twitter account, guys. The Twitter account just grew by over 5,000 followers today. And why is that, guys? As you guys know, this project will launch this month and there will be a massive free IDO allocation for everybody that is already active in the Telegram and is already active on their Twitter account. So please make sure to follow this account. There's a lot of people joining the team here. Lark Davis, Carl from the Moon, all kinds of people are joining here as investors. Cryptology AG, Crypto Banter as an investor. It's like amazing. Altcoin Daily, everybody is here involved. So guys, make sure you follow this Twitter account and follow the Telegram group so you don't miss out on your free IDO allocation. But now let's jump right into the charts, because as you know, we still got rejected here on the weekly time frame from our 11-year resistance, which is currently at exactly $69,000, and we only have 7 hours left in the day today to actually close this weekly candle fairly bullish. And this doesn't seem to happen because on the 1 hourly time frame we actually just saw a bearish breakout out of this rising channel here. And if this now gets confirmed and we got rejected here at the old support that now turned into resistance, the probability increases that we see another leg to the downside here for the Bitcoin price. And this could actually result in us, and now guys, please sit down, please take a deep breath in, because we actually are forming a massive rising wedge here on the 12-hourly time frame. And the support of that is currently at exactly $62,300. So guys, we have still two important supports below us. We still have the $63,500 level and we still have the $62,300 level. But now with the breakout out of this 1 hourly rising channel, the possibility is actually very high that the bears get another chance of actually retesting this support area over here. And the only thing I'm keeping an eye on right now is, are we closing a 12-hourly candle below this $62,300 level? Because if that happens, guys, the chances are very high that we see the same price development as we have seen in the past here in April and May, when Bitcoin topped out at, where did Bitcoin top out? Exactly at the 11-year resistance. And now we again touched the 11-year resistance 2 times, exactly as it happened last time we topped out at this 11-year resistance. And in the meantime, Bitcoin is forming a massively rising bearish wedge, guys. It's the exact same price movement at the 11-year resistance. And that's why I'm still prepared to actually see a breakdown all the way down. The breakout target of this rising wedge would be all the way down here at the beginning of the rising wedge, so at $53,000. So I'm still, with all of my long positions, I'm actually still prepared to see this drop all the way down to the $53,000 area, because the likelihood with this bearish chart, bearish weekly close and this massive rising wedge on the 12-hourly time frame actually increased significantly, that we are actually going down here into this area of $53,000. So guys, please don't jump into any long positions right now prematurely. Let's just wait till Bitcoin bounces successfully here off this support level. And if we then see a nice growth to the upside with the Bitcoin price, and we are actually retesting here the upward sloping resistance of our rising wedge again, this is the time where we can again go down to the smaller time frames. Take a look if there's maybe any sort of continuation pattern on the smaller time frames right below here, this important rising wedge resistance on the 12-hourly time frame, and then we can actually estimate how high the possibilities are of us breaking here to the upside, because as soon as this happens, we are actually not only leaving this rising wedge, which is a bearish chart pattern, we would not only leave this to the upside, which would be a massively bullish sign for the Bitcoin price. No, we would also break above our daily resistance here at the $69,000 level, and for sure we would break above the 11-year resistance of the weekly time frame. So then the chances increase dramatically that we may see massive growth coming over the last few weeks and months of this year. So guys, please keep this in mind. Please keep an eye on the Bitcoin price, because it's for sure that this 12-hourly rising wedge that we have seen in the past already when topping out at the 11-year resistance, it will break out sooner or later. And the last time we saw it, we only managed to get 2 retests of the upward sloping resistance. So guys, I actually already closed down. Just to be safe, I just want to mention this, I'm still in big long positions, but my high risk long position, which actually has an entry price of approximately $62,200, this long I actually closed out today. I took some profits just to make sure that in the case we break it to the downside, that only my trades with an entry point below the $50,000 level remain open and I don't lose out on all of these unrealized profits. But guys, like I said, please now like this video, share it with your friends. Nobody should miss out on this very important information, because I mean the price movement is just way too similar to not get prepared for another big dump maybe to the downside, although fundamentally and also in general I'm still very bullish for Bitcoin in this bull run. Either way guys, make sure you follow the codename We Twitter account, Secret Project We. The link is all the way up here in the comment section and also in my video description. And as soon as you follow the Twitter and you're active there, join also the Telegram channel. Be active there as well, because like I said, this is the only way how you will be able to get this amazing free IDO allocation of this project where so many people are involved. And I'm 100% certain you don't want to miss out on this project. I mean, like I said, the hype is amazing. The project Twitter just grew by 5,000 followers today only. And as you guys know, I'm highly involved in this project as well. Chris and I, we organized for you guys that this free IDO allocation will actually happen. Either way, guys, we will see us in the next one. Till then, bye.